Alright, YouTubers, let's try and do this real quick. Vlog today, part 2 of the Tiny 4x4 unboxing, as we were rudely interrupted. I probably got like 4 minutes, so. These are the ones that I was going to go on the Defender, the black ones. Diamond plate, and the part number is MX. Oh, I can't see it. MX0025-B. Those look cool. Slip them right there. I got some more Jeep ohhh 35A01 dry shafts. 2 pairs of those. Part number on those is MD5260. These are 2-2s. Yeah, both 2-2. I ordered, how many shocks did I order? Oh yeah, one for the Defender, one for a custom build, the K5, and then one spare on the wall. Alright, so I got 3 of those. The part number on that is ME5230. Did I order any motors? And I ordered 3 servos. These are 2-2s. Yeah, 2.2 gram servos. Yep. Alright, so I got a servo for my Defender, servo for the K5 build, and servo on the wall. Yeah. I got some stickers here. Let's see what this is. Let me open this up. Let me, that's not gonna work. I could just set the phone up somewhere to be nicer. Maybe I can do this. No, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna open this bag up with all the stickers in it. Man, fail. Look like there's more stuff. Ooh, what's this? That's not stickers.